The Boy and the Apple Tree. A long time ago, there was a huge apple tree. It loved the little boy very much. The boy loved to come and play around it every day. He climbed to the treetop, ate the apples, and played hide and seek. Took a nap under the shadow. He loved the tree. The tree was so happy. Time went by. One day, the boy came back to the tree. The tree said, "Come and play with me." "I am no longer a kid. I do not play around a tree anymore. I want toys. I need money to buy them," said the boy. "Sorry, but I do not have money. But you can pick all my apples and sell them so you will have money." The boy was so excited. He grabbed all the apples on the tree and left happily. The tree was happy. The boy never came back after he picked up the apples. The tree was sad. One day, the boy who now turned into a man returned and the tree was excited. "Come and play with me," the tree said. "I do not have time to play. I have to work for my family. We need a house for shelter. Can you help me?" "Sorry, but I do not have any house. But you can chop off my branches to build your house." So the man cut all the branches of the tree and left happily. The tree was glad to see him happy, but the man never came back since then. The tree was again lonely and sad. One hot summer day, the man returned and the tree was delighted. "Come and play with me," the tree said. "I am getting old. I want to go sailing to relax myself. Can you give me a boat?" asked the old man. "Use my trunk to build your boat," the tree said. "You can sail far away and be happy," said the tree. So the man cut the tree trunk to make a boat. He went sailing and never showed up for a long time. Tree was happy, but it was not true. Finally, the man returned after many years. "Sorry, boy, but I do not have anything for you anymore," the tree said. "No problem. I do not have any teeth to bite," the man replied. "No more trunk for you to climb on." "I really cannot give you anything, but the only thing left are my dying roots," the tree said with tears. "I do not need much now, just a place to rest. I am tired after all these years," said the man. "Good. All trees' roots are the best place to lean and rest. Come and sit down with me. Do you know? The boy is you. The tree is your parents. We go to our parents when we want something to get from them. When we fulfill something from them, we don't concern them again, no. Don't do that. Parents give us everything that they have. Remember, true love is there. They have love more than you think. Run and say, "I love my mom." They will be delighted. "Dad, I love you." They will be delighted.